back everyone. I am so excited to welcome you in this brand new painting day with me. So in today's video, I'm going to be making an abstract realistic portrait and also sharing with you how to take a good photograph of your painting and also to present it for selling on your art store and of course on other social media platforms. So in step 1, we are going to be prepping and priming the canvas. And as you can see, I'm standing and applying gesso, and you should not be doing that. You should keep it flat on the table and do it. Actually, I have a lot of neck pain and neck stiffness because of a lot of painting and work that I did last month. So that's the reason I don't want to spoil my neck again by bending a lot. So I'm standing and doing it like this. And then I'm going to be using this wedge tool to apply the gesso and this pigment. Why? Because it really makes the work very simple and easy. In case you don't have it, you can always use a small scale for that. And of course, go ahead and apply this gesso and the priming part by using a flat brush as well. Once it dried completely, now we're all set to enjoy with alcohol inks, but first, let's mask up. So it's very important while you're using this medium to be covered and stay protected. And in case if you don't have it, you can always enjoy this by using watercolors as well. It's going to create a beautiful background even if you apply water and these watercolor inks. So let's get started. And here it is, our background is all ready. So now I'll let it just dry completely and then we'll go ahead and add a beautiful painting on top of it. So to begin with, I'm going to be creating the outlines for my portrait. For that I use the grid method to get those precise outlines and to get the face done. And now let's go ahead and enjoy making this painting with me. And this is the final look. This original piece is also available for sale on my art store. You can check out the link in the description box below. So once the painting is all done, we need to get into photography and we also need to present our artwork so that we can showcase that on our website and of course on our social media platforms. So let me first start by taking a good photograph. In my case, I don't have a single wall in my house that's empty. At the same time, no wall out here receives direct light. So we really want good lighting for photography. So what I do is I go outdoors and click a good image. So it has to be a beautiful sunny day. Stand right in front of the painting and keep your image settings to raw, and then you'll get amazing crisp and good quality photos. So once I get a high resolution image, then I use this app called Canva, which helps me to present my work beautifully. Let me share with you how I use that. So this is what this app looks like. You can access this on a desktop, iPad, smartphones. It is super user friendly and simple to use. Once you click on the rooms, you will get access to all these gorgeous rooms. So let me just go ahead and choose one for me. Let's choose this one. Okay, so once you click, you're just set to upload your artwork. If you have already uploaded that, so you'll find them on this section. But if you haven't, then you can always click on this plus sign here and upload your work. I always like to first fit in the dimensions so that you exactly know what size the painting is and how exactly it will look on the wall. So it's just simple, click on the painting and it's all set. If you want to add frame, you can always choose from this option here and add frames to your painting. I like to keep it very simple and natural, so I just add this natural shadow option, which just makes it look even more natural on the wall. And now comes the fun part. You can actually change the color of the wall as well. By just simply tapping on it, you can always choose a color that you like, that you think will complement your painting. Just choose any option from the change wall option and you get all these beautiful options. Just go there, experiment what you think would look nice. Just remember that your artwork should stand out and keep everything else a little neutral so that the main attraction should be your artwork. So I generally like to do that. I like to keep everything very simple and muted, and we can do that with the remaining elements as well. So now let's go ahead and save this image, and the best part is that you can always crop it according to an Instagram post, your Etsy post, Facebook, anything that you want. All the dimensions and everything can be easily customized here. So go ahead, add the dimensions or the platform that you want the image for and save your image. So do check out this app and you can get a 2-month free trial of Canva by just clicking on the link in the description, and enjoy presenting your artwork professionally by using Canva. Hope you found this video useful and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't give you some time. No attention from last 2 minutes. I will give you. Bye.